We will be showing you what is possible if are open to eat, drink and love if you try their local foods, cheeses and wineries of El Camino de Santiago. The food you can expect to eat on the Camino de Santiago can vary depending on the route you choose and the towns and villages you pass through. However, there are some typical dishes and food options that you are likely to encounter along the way. What are some of the typical dishes examples? Pilgrim's menu. Many restaurants and cafes along the Camino offer a pilgrim's menu that typically includes 3 courses, bread, and a drink. The menu often features local dishes such as lentil soup, Spanish omelette, grilled fish, and pork stew. Tapas. In many places, you can also find small plates of food called tapas. These are typically served in bars and can include a variety of dishes such as cheese, olives, croquettes, and grilled vegetables. Bocadillos. These are sandwiches made with fresh bread and a variety of fillings such as cheese, ham, tuna, and vegetables. They are a popular option for lunch or a quick snack. Tortilla, a Spanish omelette made with potatoes and eggs. This is a popular dish for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Seafood. If you walk along the Camino del Norte, which runs along the northern coast of Spain, you can find an abundance of fresh seafood dishes. The Camino de Santiago offers a variety of regional foods and specialties that you might not find in other parts of Spain or Europe. Here are some out-of-the-ordinary foods, cheeses and wineries that you can expect to sample on the Camino. What are the out-of-the-ordinary foods to try in El Camino de Santiago? Pulpo a la gallega. This is a popular dish in Galicia, where the Camino Francés ends. It's boiled octopus served with olive oil, paprika, and salt, often served on a wooden board. Pimientos de Padrón. These are small green peppers from the town of Padrón in Galicia, usually fried and sprinkled with salt. They are a popular tapa along the Camino. Empanadas. Empanadas are savory pastries that are popular throughout Spain and Latin America, but each region has its own twist. Along the Camino, you might find Galician-style empanadas filled with tuna or cod. Caldo gallego. This is a hearty soup from Galicia made with beans, potatoes, and greens. It's often served as a starter or a main dish along the Camino. Churros con chocolate. While churros are a popular breakfast or snack throughout Spain, they are especially popular along the Camino, as a sweet treat to fuel the journey. They are often served with thick hot chocolate for dipping. Tarta de Santiago. This is a traditional Galician almond cake, often served as a dessert or snack along the Camino. These are just a few examples of the unique and delicious foods you can expect to try along the Camino de Santiago. Be sure to keep an open mind and try new things to fully experience the culture and cuisine of the different regions along the way. Are there any good wineries? Yes, there are many wineries along the Camino de Santiago, particularly in the regions of La Rioja, Navarra, and Galicia. Here are some wineries that you might encounter along the Camino. Bodegas Marques de Riscal. This winery is located in the town of El Ciego in La Rioja and is known for its modern architecture designed by Frank Gehry. They offer wine tours and tastings. Bodegas Iraqi. This winery is located in the town of Egui in Navarra, and it's famous for its wine fountain where pilgrims can stop and have a glass of wine for free. Bodegas Franco Españolas. This winery is located in the city of Logrono in La Rioja, and has a history dating back to the 19th century. They offer wine tastings and tours of their facilities. Adega Valcar. This winery is located in the town of Portomarin in Galicia, close to the Camino Francés. They produce organic wines and offer tastings and tours. Bodegas Gómez Cruzado. This winery is located in the town of Haro in La Rioja and has a history dating back to the 19th century. They offer tours of their facilities and tastings of their wines. These are just a few examples of the wineries that you might encounter along the Camino de Santiago. Wine is an important part of the culture and cuisine of the regions along the Camino, and it's worth taking the time to visit some wineries and sample the local wines. What are their special desserts in El Camino? Yes, there are many special desserts that you can try along the Camino de Santiago. Each region along the Camino has its own traditional sweets and pastries, often made with local ingredients and recipes that have been passed down through generations. Here are some examples of special desserts you might find along the Camino. Tarta de Santiago. This is a traditional almond cake from Galicia, usually served with a dusting of powdered sugar in the shape of the Cross of Santiago. Leche frita. This is a fried milk dessert that is popular in many regions of Spain. including Navarra and Castilla y León. It's made with a mixture of milk, flour, sugar, and cinnamon, and is fried until it's crispy on the outside and creamy on the inside. Filoas, these are thin pancakes that are popular in Galicia, usually served with honey, jam, or chocolate. They are similar to crepes, but are often made with milk, eggs, and flour. Gokchua, this is a dessert from the Basque country that is made with layers of sponge cake, cream, and caramel. It's similar to a trifle or a tiramisu, and is often served in individual portions. Cuajada, this is a dessert from Navarra that is made with milk, rennet, and sugar. It's similar to a cheese custard, and is often served with honey or jam. Arroz con leche, this is a rice pudding dessert that is popular throughout Spain. It's made with milk, rice, sugar, and cinnamon, and is often served cold. Are there any special cheeses in El Camino? Yes, there are many types of cheese that you can try along the Camino de Santiago. Each region along the Camino has its own traditional cheeses, often made with local milk and using techniques that have been passed down through generations. Always ask locals for suggestions. Here are some examples of cheeses you might find along the Camino. Queso de Tetilla, this is a soft, creamy cheese from Galicia that is made with cow's milk. It has a mild flavor and is often served as a dessert cheese. Queso de Cabrales, this is a blue cheese from Asturias that is made with cow, sheep, and or goat milk. It has a strong flavor and is often crumbled over salads or served with bread. Idiazabal, this is a semi-hard cheese from the Basque country that is made with sheep's milk. It has a nutty flavor and is often grated over dishes or served on a cheese plate. Roncol, this is a hard cheese from Navarra that is made with sheep's milk. It has a sharp flavor and is often used in cooking or served as a snack. Mojon Menorca, this is a cheese from the Balearic Islands that is made with cow's milk. It has a tangy flavor and is often served as a snack or grated over dishes. Manchego, this is a cheese from Castilla-La Mancha that is made with sheep's milk. It has a nutty flavor and is often used in cooking or served on a cheese plate. What is the cheapest nutritious food I can buy if I'm totally broke? There are many nutritious foods that can be budget-friendly, depending on where you are and what's available. Here are some examples of cheap and nutritious foods. Beans and lentils, these are an excellent source of protein, fiber, and other nutrients. They are also very affordable and can be used in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and wraps. Oats are a great source of fiber and can be used to make porridge, oatmeal cookies, granola, and more. They are often very affordable and can be purchased in bulk. Eggs are a good source of protein and other nutrients. They are also relatively inexpensive and can be used in a variety of dishes, from omelets to frittatas to egg salad sandwiches. Sweet potatoes are a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are also relatively inexpensive and can be used in a variety of dishes, from roasted sweet potatoes to sweet potato fries to sweet potato pie. Canned tuna is a good source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. It is also relatively inexpensive and can be used in a variety of dishes, from tuna salad to tuna casserole to tuna sandwiches. These are just a few examples of cheap and nutritious foods. Be sure to look for deals and shop in bulk to save money on groceries, and consider cooking at home instead of eating out to save even more. These are just a few examples of the special pilgrims menus, desserts, cheeses and wineries you can try along the Camino de Santiago. Please subscribe to my upcoming video. If you reach this point, click the bell to get notified. Thank you again.